Now will be good.
Chiropractor Vitaly Kazakiewicz.
Hi, my name is Margaret. I slept on a bed pillow, so I have a stiff neck, and now this man will fix it for me using a chiropractic adjustment. Do not repeat at home this technique, it may be dangerous for your health. So let's start.
Okay, no problem for me. No eyes. This?
Yes.
Okay. Relax.
Oh.
Yes. Relax.
Oh.
It's good. Running.
What happened?
Harakiri. Samurai. Hands behind head. Relax.
Oh.
A little bit.
Oh, trigger point.
Do you feel ache?
Yes, I feel.
This is lymph node inflammation.
Should I use anti-inflammatory ointment?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I understand.
Lie down. Relax, relax. Now will be good. Are you scared?
No, I am angry.
Okay, relax.
Oh,
Little bit. It's all. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Very well. Don't hurt?
Don't.
Buy a new pillow
Okay.
and good sleep.
Okay. I will have a nice dream after this chiropractic adjustment. Thank you for treatment and don't hurt me anymore. Goodbye.
Speak.
Oh, God.
Sayonara.
Atlant Medical Center.